the 5 most amazing lavender flower gardens in the world. Lavender is a very beautiful flower and has a very distinctive scent. It is usually found in areas of the Mediterranean climate, but it is now widely grown worldwide. Below are the 5 most amazing lavender flower gardens in the world. Provence, France. Provence is a region in the south of France famous for the beauty of the lavender flower. Each year, in the summer, the whole region of Provence became a beautiful lavender flower garden. You can find large fields of lavender in areas such as Valençol, Salt, and Luberon. Norfolk Lavender, England is the largest lavender flower garden in England. The park hosts over 100,000 different types of lavender plants. You can enjoy the beauty of the park from June to August each year. Lavender Fields, the United States is Lavender Fields in Hood River, Oregon. The park has over 4,000 beautiful lavender plants and is surrounded by spectacular mountain scenery. You can visit the park from June to September each year. Lordington is lavender. Lordington is in the West Sussex area of England. The park has over 50,000 beautiful lavender plants. You can enjoy the beauty of the park from June to August each year. Farm Tomita is a lavender flower garden and has long been known as a tourist site in Hokkaido. Farm Tomita has many visitors from around the world each year because of the framed beauty of the lavender farm in the Tomochi Mountains. The farm of Tomita Farm is in the city of Furano. The lavender flower has gained fame in Hokkaido for more than half a century. Blooms bloom in the summer, but it can also enjoy the beauty of certain varieties of lavender in the fall. The 5 most amazing lavender flower gardens in the world. Hopefully it can inspire us to visit these beautiful places in the future. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget our like and subscribe. See you in other exciting videos of our channel. See you.